Zaldi no longer wants to be identified as owner of SunWest. In 2022, he clarified to a fact-checking organization that he has sold his stake in the company in 2019, the same year he became the representative of his party list group, Ako Bicol, to Congress.
Marahil alinsin dito sa Republic Act 6713, which instructs public officials like ko to avoid conflict of interest. Ito yung hard copy ng ilan sa mga dokumentong review namin. And what we found is that his divestment doesn't really give the public a complete picture. Wala na nga yung pangalan niya sa SunWest Construction, pero isa pa rin siya sa mga may-ari ng mga kumpanya sa ilalim ng SunWest Empire. Gaya ng SunWestville na nasa likod ng maraming residential at condo projects sa Bicol, kung saan mayroon siyang shares na nagkakahalagang higit sa 400 million pesos. O Misibis Land, developer ng luxury hotel, kung saan mayroon siyang active investment worth 349 million pesos. O Embarcadero Land Ventures, kung saan mayroon siyang shares worth over 500 million pesos.
At si Congressman Zaldi pa lang yan ha. Yung asawa niyang si Mylene at dalawa nilang anak ay namumuhunan din sa mga kumpanyang ito. At iyong mga kaalyado niya sa Ako Bicol, either officer o shareholder, gaya ni na dating Ako Bicol Congressman Ronald Ang na presidente ng SunWest Group Holdings at Ako Bicol 7th nominee